Hey neighbor, how are you? I hope all is well. Today is September 11th, 2025. Today's Patriot Day. So I figured today would be a really good day for me to start my brand new channel here on YouTube, the Strength and the Positive channel. Let's get started. All right, hey, thanks for joining me. I hope all is well. As I said earlier, my name is Jeff Rogers. I am the founder of Strength and the Positive. So what is this channel all about? This channel is all about veterans who are making the transition from military to civilian life. I served in the United States Air Force for 20 years, and I've been out of the military for almost 20 as well. And the one thing that I've realized is that the military does not always do a great job in preparing folks for getting out of the military. Now, don't get me wrong. There are programs out there. There's this TAP program. There's other programs that are out there that are designed to help, but that's only one piece of that puzzle. What I want to do is I want to provide some additional pieces so that the new life, the new mission can be seen. So what kind of pieces are we talking about? We're talking about resilience. We're talking about communication. We're talking about family reintegration. We're talking about all sorts of things that revolve around the transition back to civilian life from military life. And that's what I'm here for. So if that sounds interesting to you, I invite you to subscribe. If that sounds interesting to you because you have family members or friends who are in this transition, or they transitioned quite a while ago, but they're not fully transitioned yet, I invite you to subscribe. Drop some comments below. Let's get the conversation started. What was the worst part of your transition? What part are you still dealing with? What issues do you still have in your transition? Whether it was 2 weeks ago, 2 years ago, or like me, almost 20 years ago. I'm really looking forward to our conversations. I hope you stick around for the ride. So that's all for now, my friends. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. Take care, be well, and go slow. We'll see you next week.